In a quiet room of color light, patterns shimmer soft and bright, threads of crimson, gold and blue, whisper stories old and true. Hands that shaped them long ago left a warmth that still can glow. Every weave a sacred line, holding time in its design. Rugs of memory, rugs of grace, carrying worlds in every trace. Beauty crafted, stories spun, treasures glowing one by one. Stepping through that peaceful door, you feel the history on the floor. 1,000 footsteps, lives and dreams, woven through those flowing seams. It's more than art, it's what we keep. Something rooted, something deep. A place to rest, a place to stand, held by a work of loving